DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, quick thinking. Got that coming up next. Today I was out flying the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and shooting film for another video when I had to do some quick thinking. Let me go ahead and set this up. I was filming low altitude flying for the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and for the Mavic 2 Pro to continue my Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 versus Mavic 2 Pro series when an event occurred. Now let's go ahead and roll this clip. Now, as you can see, it appears that the Phantom 4 Pro just went on its own down towards the water, and I wasn't quite sure if this was just an optical illusion from where I was standing or not. And as you're all aware of, I'm going to go ahead and roll another clip. I use the DJI Osmo Action when I'm out filming, and I thought this would come in very handy with the low altitude flying, as I could catch both the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and the Mavic 2 Pro when I'm going across the lake. So let's go ahead and roll this clip as well. And then finally, this last clip, which is a screen recording from the DJI Smart Controller, shows the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 at an altitude of 7.9 feet, and then when it gets out over the water, it goes to 7.5 feet. My quick thinking and gaining altitude quickly saved the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 from going into the water. Question of the day. What do you think caused the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 to descend automatically towards the water? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.